So basically with the single invite you can send just one invite at a time, but if you want to send like more review requests at once to all the clients that you have, or like the clients that you have for this specific time frame, like this month, one specific time for like this month, you can just use the schedule invites. With that, you have to go to the contacts and you have to click on the import. From here you can download a sample CSV file and then build your list using the sample CSV file, and then assign it to a list that you had before from the past, or you can just add a new list and type the list name here, and then upon clicking on import, we will import all your contacts, and also we will check their email address, accuracy, and the phone numbers. Remember that, again, make sure that you have the correct country code settings here, because everything depends on this. And if you go to, like, if you are in the United States, your country code should be United States. Otherwise, it will import your contacts and it shows an error for the phone number, because we analyze the phone number, making sure that that is for the country that you have set here. So if you go to the schedule invite contacts, you see that, for example, this phone number is invalid. And after importing your invites, you can simply go to the templates. You can make sure the templates that you have there are good. When you set up your accounts, we will build your account. We will set the predefined templates, but you can also go there and edit them. Then, like, here are the simple options, like what is the name of the template, and here is the text that goes with each text message to the customer. You can see that we have used like this placeholder. You can just change that. You have 3 placeholder options to use here: first name, last name, and phone. And if you like click on each of them, it's going to be added here. So you can just I'll remove them, like and click on, for example, first name space last name. And you can also change the use any of these emojis here, like and you don't need to add any link here. It says, thanks for visiting us today, please leave us a review using this link. Basically the link will automatically add it to each text message that you send to the customer. So here we just are saying that there will be a link following this message. And then here you have to also select one of the review pages that you had from before. And then again, this is for the email. If you want to send the review request both to the email and phone number, you need to have this as the subject of the email. Also, you can use first name, last name, and phone number, and emojis in the subject. And here you select that if you want just a text message, is it a plain text, is it an MMS? If it's MMS, then you have to also select a media from here by clicking here. And then email and text, or email and MMS. So that's basically the invite. So after importing your contacts, you have to make sure that your template is correct. I'm gonna go back here, and then you go to the schedule, and you're gonna add a new schedule here, selecting your list that you just added with your new contact, and then selecting one of the template, selecting a time for the invite to be sent, date and time. And then most probably this field doesn't need to be changed, because it actually will get your time zone from your computer time zone, and then it will. But if you see that this is wrong, just to change it to time zone that you want the invite to be sent, and then click on save, and that's how you send, and you set up a schedule invite. When the schedule invite is sent, you will receive a notifications in the notifications center here, and that says, for example, your invite has been has been sent successfully, and how many customers, and how many of them have failed due to the problems, like the customer phone number not being accurate and things like that. So that's how you can send and schedule invite.